Good evening, all. Yes, how many of you wrote your test yesterday?
I wrote it, sir.
Okay, what about others? Wait just a minute. Let me open the result. I'll share the screen to you all. Look at this. Can you see the screen here? Okay, so Bhav 80, Tushar 80, Amrita 76, Shadap 75, Ahil 70, Diksha 70, Anudip 23.
Sir,
Yes, you have.
sir,
Yes,
yes.
you sent me. I'll correct it. And
Okay.
Prashant, Mithila, Himanshu, Steve did not attend the test.
Sir, I submitted to you.
You submitted me, Steve. I would like to talk to you. You didn't see the message properly. My test was in WhatsApp, not in Topper. And simply you are trying to give excuses or what?
So then after that you send the worksheet and
I sent later on. What you told before that, sir, I tried. You was trying to give some excuses or what? I didn't understand that. Hmm?
yeah, sir. In the morning, there was no net over here, so it took time, and then it was not loading for me. So when I said that
What it was not loading? Where it was not loading?
the websites,
Which
that
website you gone through?
I went first in Topper, and then when I checked, there was no test
See,
over there.
Steve, I can understand. Topper you didn't find, man. No, you didn't go. If you go through that, I'll get a notification here that so and so student has gone through that. He is trying to attempt the test, but I didn't see such cases. See, basically, many. Not only I'm not telling Steve alone. I'm just talking to each and every presenter over here. Make sure that whenever I'm posting a message in the group regarding your schedule, I mean regarding your exam schedule, exam portion, what is the exam conducting platform, I just clearly highlighting each and everything where I'm conducting. All right, please go through that. If you're not going through that, guys, it's completely it's your fault actually. Please, first you go through that, whether it is in top or voice app, then you decide. And many of you are giving excuses like anything. They are not watching the message properly, they're not looking at the message properly. I don't know. Tanvi, are you here? Tanvi, are you here? Tanvi, she's not here. Sira, are you here? Akil, I don't know. Akil, why Akil is not writing exam from multiple examinations? Why Akil? Akil,
Yes, sir.
may I know why you're not attending the test?
Sir, I have attended the topper.
Sorry.
Sir, I have attended the topper interview. Topper.
No, I never seen that you are attending the test.
Sir, I have attended in topper.
That is what. Last time, what was your percentage? How much you got last time? Sorry, how much you secured? You should know.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this is what called as complete irresponsible children. See, if last exam, whatever the result you got, you compare with this week, whether you got improved or whether you just declined. Just make sure that you guys have to just go through that so that you can understand what exactly you got last time at this time. Compare yourself as you are declining or improving yourself. You understand? I didn't see that Akil you are attempting that is I never many less your brother is attempting, but I didn't see your result. What was your result of last exam? Ashish, why didn't you attempt? Sira Yogesh, why didn't you attempt the test yesterday? Hello, Ashish, Yogesh, I'm talking to you guys. Respond. Why you guys didn't attempt yesterday? Yogesh, are you here? Sorry, checked in tower. See, this is what called as Then why couldn't you text me? You should have texted me, right? You should have texted me, right? Yes or no? Is this this is what called as complete
Hello, sir.
irresponsibility.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Sir, I'm Ashish, sir. I was not able to attend the test because last week my grandma died, sir. So I was not able to attend the classes properly, sir. So that's why I was not able to write the exam properly.
See, Ashish, yes, I understand. Your grandma passes away, so I'm sorry for that. But look at this, Ashish. That was a last week, right? So you should have, whatever happens, if you are available on that particular day. Yesterday you was available, you attempt it. We are not asking you to get 100%.
No, sir. Like this chapter, I didn't understand properly as I was not able to attend classes, sir. On this.
Then did you text me?
No, sir. I will
Why?
see the recording, sir.
No, no, no. I'm asking
Yes,
why
sir.
you are not attending the test, right? Did you whether inform me or not?
Sir, no, sir. I didn't inform.
This is what called as irresponsibility. Yoga is simply
Sir.
saying that, sir, I was already late, so I left it. You can't give me this kind of silly excuses, children. I don't want to hear at all from your side. I'm here to, guide you like anything. You guys are going to get you guys are gonna make it perfectly. You guys are gonna get it. That's it. So you have to do whatever I just telling you. You have to do that. You don't have other option. You can't skip it. So every week, we are conducting the test. We are putting efforts, and you simply avoiding that means who is responsible for that? So YSAP creating the paper, setting the paper in YSAP is a not easy thing. Topper, I can just simply create the paper. Why I'm not conducting topper? Tell me. The reason behind not conducting in topper is in topper questions are getting repeated. Questions are being wrong over there. That is the reason I'm not going for topper. Actually, I'm myself preparing the question paper and just setting everything, and you guys are simply doing this. Leave it about just leave that. Leave about my efforts. But what efforts you guys are making here? This is who's for the all this, who's for all this stuff. This is for your life, this is for your sake, right? Then simply
Yes, sir.
you without attempting the test, or I didn't check in Wise app, I checked in Topper app. Guys, this is your minimum common sense. This minimum common sense, Babu. You should have texted me and informed, sir. I'm not able to find the test. Where should I approach? What should I do now? Yes, Anudip, he got left with his test. He approached me. Very good, Anudip. So I sent him PDF. He just wrote the answers and sent me back. All right, Yogesh. Yogesh has I think Yogesh, not Yogesh, was that Steve? Steve, you texted me for what?
So that I couldn't attempt the test.
You couldn't
I
attempt the
tried
test.
to attempt that time. It the
See,
current went.
he texted, at least he texted. You couldn't attempt the test. After 7 o'clock, he texted me that, sir, I couldn't attempt the test. See, those who are texting me after 7 o'clock, I don't believe them. Try to remember this. I don't believe those who are texting me after 7 o'clock. I can't believe you guys that if you're texting after 7 o'clock, which means you didn't try. You tried at the last moment. If you are willing to write test, you should attempt before 5 o'clock. There is a clear cut message from my side that you have to attempt the test before 5 o'clock. Then why you are lagging it to, why you are lagging that till 7 o'clock? Tell me. Hmm? Tell me. Why?
Sir, I wasn't at home.
See, you was not at home. Okay, you inform me in prayer, right, sir? In the morning itself, you inform. Then why you guys are not informing? I don't see the Yogesh. I don't know why. What happened to Yogesh? What happened to Ashish? You guys, why you are not informing? Why you are not taking permission? Akil, why didn't you attempt yesterday? Akil, I don't know how. Akil, are you present in the class? Mentally, are you present or physically present? No, I don't want anyone to be present. Physically present. Physically present, you have to be. However, you will be physically present, but mentally, you have to be present in the class. Everyone, not only Ahil here, everyone, not only Akil, everyone should be mentally present in the class. That is what I'm expecting from you all. You can't simply skip the test, guys. This is for you. Your exams are nearing by. You have to attempt all the test. This is a kind of preparation for your board examination. Is that clear with everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, basically you have to. I don't know that many of you are not. One second. Himanshu, are you here? Himanshu, are you here? Just a minute. Be in line, guys. Those who are absent here, let me put a message here. One second.
Sir,
Yes, Anujib, can you please wait for a minute?
yes, sir. Sorry.
Yes, tell me. Yes, Anujib, tell me.
No, sir. Actually, I was asking that in the term one, we will have OMR sheets, right? So, can we have any type of practice for OMR sheet from the tuition side?
Yes, definitely we'll make an arrangement, but OMR and all, you have to be uh, like exam should be in offline mode, then only you can get practiced. See, OMR basically the size of that bubbling options would be same for everything. You can simply you do one thing, you can just download from the internet and just get printed of that. You try practicing that. Okay, try practicing it in the sense, I'll be giving, whatever the test you have, you just, whatever the worksheets you have, basically, whatever the worksheet you have, just go through that. And you have many questions, like NCRT exemplar questions from your NCRT official website. You can just get the questions from that and try attempting yourself and bubble the options, you know, so that you get, habituated for that and you get, practice of that. Clear?
Yes, sir. Like while we're doing the topper tests, I'll side by side, I'll bubble it and practice with the OMR sheet also.
Yes, this is very, very important for everyone. So if you don't have OMR sheet, not online OMR sheet, if you find any OMR sheet, please download it from the Google, take a print of that, take a Xerox of that, Xerox copy it, start bubbling it so that you get habituated for that. Clear? Is that clear?
Fine, sir.
Yes, everyone, not only Anujip, everyone. I'm just telling this one. Okay, let me share the screen and let us have a look at the question paper. Do you have any doubts in the question paper? Do you have any doubts in the question paper?
Not much, sir.
Everyone. I need a response from everyone. Do you have any doubts here?
No doubt, sir.
Very simple actually. You can just fatafat you can finish. A circle has number of tangents equal to how much? Infinite number of tangents you can draw. A tangent intersects the circle at what? Tangent
1 point.
1 point. That is what called as
Point.
tangent. Touching the circle at 1 point is called as tangent. Very simple question. So a circle can have parallel tangents. How many parallel tangents? Two. On the either of the side they can have two parallel. You know, at a single time they can have two parallel tangents. So if the angle between two radii of a circle is 110 degrees, if the angle between two radii of a circle is 110 degrees, so then the angle between the tangent at the end of the radii is what? Guys, you just tell me if you have any doubts, we'll go ahead. If you don't have any doubts, we'll.
No doubt.
Sorry?
Sir, no doubt.
No one has any doubts? No one?
Sir,
Everyone
can you
is
solve the 14th question?
14th question. Yes, sure. So 14th question, right? Let me take this question here.
Sir?
Yes.
No. Sorry. Actually, your screen was stuck for a minute. It's fine now. Continue. Sir.
Okay, okay. So what he has given, look at this here. So if the two tangents, two tangents inclined at an angle 60 degrees are drawn to a circle radius 3 centimeters, the length of the each tangent is equal to what? Basically what he has given, two tangents inclined at an angle. So basically two tangents has been given. Look at this, what are the tangent? This is a circle. These are two tangents given. Inclined at an angle 60 degrees. 60 degrees are drawn to a circle of radius. Radius circle how much given? 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters given. Two tangents. So there will be circle radius means from here I can draw one tangent like this. Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
from here two tangents, but from here also I can draw one more tangent like this. These are also two tangents, right? So from here like this. And what is in two tangents inclined? I mean making an angle at how much? 60 degrees. Here 60 degrees.
Sir.
So length of the each tangent is what? That is what he's asking. Very simple, right? Look at this.
Two-lateral triangle. If we
Yes. This is also this is a center O. This is 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So here length of the each tangent I read here. Length of the each tangent means what? So each tangent. So we read this length first. Okay, let me divide into two equal parts into equal triangles. So the pink color triangle and the green color triangle. Look at this now. What he has given? So let us take any, like, let's say that this is my point P, this is Q, and this is R. Okay. Okay. So from the triangle, we have two triangles here. Let's say triangle O, Q, P, and triangle O, R, P. I have two triangles. Okay. These two are congruent to each other. Yes or no? These two are congruent. These are equal or not? Equal in length. Everything
Equal.
same. Congruent or not? Yes or no?
Congruent. Yes, sir.
I need a response from not Pratibha. What is her name? Amrita ji.
Yes, sir.
These are congruent or not? दोनों आसपास
Yes,
एक ही
sir.
एंगल
They
में कर
are.
रहा है, सेम दिख रहा है, उसका रेडियस सेम है, उसका लेंथ सभी सेम है, तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट ही बोलते हैं ना. हाँ देखो, what is the angle here? What is the angle I notice? So here triangle angle O P Q. or else AP
That will be
is
30,
QPO
30 degrees.
QPO कितना है इधर
30 degrees.
QPO
30.
QPO किसके बराबर होगा दोनों इक्वल है ना किसके एंगल RO RPO
Sir, OPR.
सॉरी OPR
Yes, sir. RP only. RP only.
QPR RPO only correct only Babu R
RP.
yes only so this how much given 60 degrees okay right so ये दोनों half of दो देख dividing in exactly like what is inclined dividing exactly so क्या बनेगा इधर तो this one will be 30 now this one will be 30 yes or no yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes.
so or else simply say 160 इधर क्वेश्चन क्या है if you talk about guys look at this here now if I don't take triangle like this now can I take this is radius OQ is perpendicular to this one this is radius where R is equal to 3 centimeters given okay so here look at this now if I observe this triangle what is this OA OQ what is this OQ this OQ is what perpendicular to whom this guy here OR is also perpendicular
OP.
to whom this guy OP ठीक है
Yes, sir.
देखो मुझे पता है here this angle this is something by using trigonometric concept look at this I need to find out this length how can you find the trigonometric concept how can you use here
So tan 30 is P by B.
tan 30 is what
So tan 30 is P by B.
P by P
Perpendicular. P by B, sir.
tan 30 is what opposite by adjacent yes or no what is opposite
Opposite
here
by perpendicular.
opposite by opposite by
Hypotenuse.
adjacent huh what is
Yes,
opposite
sir.
here 630 degrees right
Yes, sir.
tan tan कितना angle इतना 30 degrees is equal to opposite is what OQ divided by adjacent what is adjacent
OP.
OP.
OP so we have to find out QP here we have to find out QP right for finding we need to find QP so let me write tan 30 with respect what is the opposite here QP divided by what is the adjacent OP I need to find QP OP कितना है इधर OP how much OP
So we didn't found that.
now adjacent means कौन सा adjacent होता है इधर देखो which is adjacent here tan 30 जिसका adjacent कौन सा है ये है ठीक है so opposite OQ divided by QP तो मुझे चाहिए QP divided by OQ divided by tan 30 OQ how much R by tan 30 how much 1 by root 3
Sir, tan
1 by root
30,
3.
tan 30 is opposite by adjacent, no, sir.
हाँ opposite
So adjacent is QP, sir.
Sir,
इसका
can't we use sine 30 or cos 30 instead?
yes, we'll try with that as well. Look at this. So
Yes.
r का वैल्यू 3/1 so 3 root 3 3 root 3 ऑप्शन है तो 3 root देखो हाँ look at this here. Which is Ashish, which is the longest part of the triangle is called as what? Hypotenuse, right?
Hypotenuse.
हाँ तो longest part कौन सा है इधर? तो this is the longest part.
Oh.
Yes or no? Clear?
Sir, QP is the longest, no, sir?
So that's the base.
Yes, that is a base.
OP is
So-
base.
This is a base. Okay, now look at this here. हाँ
Because
Right.
angle O is 90 degrees, no, sir? Then QP will be hypotenuse, no?
दिस विल बी क्यू. ठीक है तो मुझे मेरा पास है ये वाला. हाँ देखो नहीं तो विल डू वन थिंग. वी नीड टू फाइंड tan 90 here. Tan 90 is what? So in can't defined. So you can't take tan 90. So you have an angle which is 30 degrees here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Here 60 means 30 plus 30, right? Or this is not 30, so not 60. 60 by दोनों सेम ही है तो by 2 कितना आता है 30. So 30 degrees. So now tan 30 degrees is equal to adjacent is OP here. So OQ divided by OP. हाँ OQ tan 30 is how much? Root 3. OQ how much? Radius. This OQ is radius. R by OP. तो मेरे पास sorry. Let us write directly here. OP is equal to how much? Root 3 by root 3 is equal to 1. 1, I got this one. This is 3. Yes or no? I need to find out QP now. Can you find out QP? By using Pythagoras theorem. QP square is equal to OP square. OQ square. QP square enta. That is what I have to find out. 1 plus 9. Huh, this is what correct. Yes or no? So QP is equal to what? 10 root 10. QP root 10 answer option ఉందా? root 10 లేదు కాకపోతే 3 root 3 ఉంది. 3 root 3 ఉంది కానీ 3 root 3 రాయలేం కదా. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Root 10 should be the option then. Yes. Yes, we'll try even one more way. Apart from this, how can you try? How can you try? Look at this here. Look at this. Okay, leave all this stuff. Okay, if you take the triangle, if you take this one, if you take this triangle, this is your theta. O R P. However, you have to find rho Q. Yes, look at this here. Very good doubt actually. Very good question as well. मेरे पास देखो. Look at this here. OQ is what? OQ is what? Perpendicular to whom? OP. OR is perpendicular to whom? OP. ठीक है. These two are perpendicular to each other. From this triangle, what is tan theta? Then answer should be 10. Root 10 only correct, man. Root 10 should be the answer. That is what Guys, how many of you solved this question?
Sir, I solved it.
How did, how did you solve it?
Sir, in the first try, you did a mistake that you took tan 30 as only root 3. But the tan 30 is actually 1 by root 3.
Tan 30 I took 1 root 3.
Yes, sir. That's the mistake you did last time.
Oh, acha. So
So after taking this tan 30 as 1 by root 3, can you try it now?
tan that is 1 by sine that is 1 by 2. 1 by root 3 only.
Yes, sir.
1 by root 3. What I took that time?
So you took just root 3.
Okay, so 3. What I got, look at this here. OQ. OQ is what? 3, right? Radius. OP. अच्छा, वैल्यू भी हमने गलती ले लिया.
Yes, sir.
OP कितना मिला मुझे, देखो. OP is equal 3 root 2. 3.
Yes, sir.
OP I got.
3 root 3.
He's asking for what? Each tangent length is equal to what? This is, how come this is a tangent, man? This is not a tangent, right? We need this length. Now, as per the
Sir, they're congruent, right?
they're congruent. So by using triple S, since they are congruent, by using triple S, you can say this. Yes.
That is also.
Yes. By using triple S rule. Yes or no? Triple S. All sides are equal. Yes. Sides. Oh, एक minute. The Amrita, side, please. We are the local. Yes or no? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Sir, I didn't understand how all sides are equal.
Sorry? हमारे पास ये प्रॉपर्टी है ना. How they are equal?
If
Look
you
here.
say that one angle is 90 degree, then obviously there will be one side which is more than the other two sides.
Look at this. एक बार देखो. What you are saying? I didn't get you.
Sir, in the diagram, there is one angle which is 90 degree. So
हाँ.
obviously there will be one side which is more than the other two sides.
Yeah, one angle is 90 degrees. Yeah. Other two angles will be what?
Sir, if one angle is 90 degree, then there will be an hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the largest side. So it can't be equal to the other two sides.
Yeah, it can't be equal to the other side, other two.
So it can't be SSS congruency.
No, it can be SS.
No, I took two triangles. Look at this here. I'm talking about OP here. You understand? देखो मेरे पास क्या है. I'm saying these two triangles. Which are they? Triangle OQP, triangle ORP. ठीक है? By using triple S congruence. ठीक है? By using triple S congruence, I'm saying this one, which is making 30 degrees over here. Okay. So now from the triangles, देखो मैंने ये triangle ले लिया. एक मिनट. Let me erase all this. Okay, एक मिनट. One second, Chilla, 1 second. 1 second, please. Correct. Seven. Yes. So 30 degrees, right? So let me say this is my center radius. Center. So from this, I just drawn two. Which is making 60 degrees here. Okay. We learned one property. How many of you remember the property? Making a point from outside of the circle, these two tangents will be equal. Yes or no? From external point of a circle, if you draw a tangent to a point of the circle, ये दोनों क्या होगा? बराबर. ठीक है? तो now, हाँ, yes. This one is what? 3. This one is also 3. Let's say that this is my Q. Let's say that this is my R. Okay. The question क्या दिया है? What is given in the question? If two tangents inclined at an 60 degrees are drawn to a circle of 3 centimeter radius, find the length of each tangent. I need to find out QP here. I need to find out what QP. Yes or no? Yes, this will be 30 now. This also will be 30. By using, yes, as you told that, can we use sine 30? By using sine 30. If you use sine 30, what will happen? Tell me what is sine 30 if you use so? What is your name? Amrita, you are saying that how, what do you mean by congruent basically? Congruent means what? If दो angle, हमारे पास दो angle congruent बोलता है, कब बोलता है? If and only if they have equal measures. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Amrita, when could you say these two angles are congruent? If and only if they have equal measures. Measure करने में दोनों बराबर है अगर, तभी बोलते हैं हम लोग दो angles congruent में है. ठीक है? They are two angles are congruent when you say that. If and only if they are having equal in measure. Okay. हाँ, उसके हिसाब से देखो, as per your concern will go sin 30. देखो sin 30 लगाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? देखो opposite 3 by hypotenuse QP. तो QP is equal to what? 3 by sin 1 by 2. So मुझे मेरे मिलता है is equal to 6 centimeters. So option here 6 centimeters. So you click on 6 centimeters. Yes or no? Am I right?
Sir, I didn't attempt this question.
You didn't attempt 6 centimeter. हाँ, सही है ना? 30 करेंगे तो opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. That is what I need to find out. I need to find out base hypotenuse. हाँ, हाँ. Look at it here. Now I'm saying SSS. What do you mean by SSS here? Side, side, side. Side, side, side. Look at it here. I'm saying y congruent. आपको ये समझो थोड़ा. ये येलो कलर ट्रायंगल है ना? In this yellow color triangle, try to understand. This side will be equal to this side. Okay. आ रहा है समझ? This side will be equal to this side. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now ये बीच वाली है ना? ये बीच वाली जो कॉमन साइड है, तो all sides are equal of each triangle. You understand? All corresponding sides of All corresponding sides are congruent here. Why? Because why are saying congruent? Equal in measure. सब करने में क्या कर रहे, measure करने में equal दिख रहा है. They are looking same each other. So that is what the reason. They are congruent each other. So I'm saying that now this is be equal to this. ठीक है. So मुझे ये 6 मिला है and this is a common thing. This will be equal to this. Yes. So 6 should be the answer. How many of you got 6? How many of you got 6? Guys, how many of you got 6 actually? What is the option given to you all? Hello? Then opposite. Oh ho. एक मिनट चिल्ड्रन, हम ऐसा ले सकते हैं ना? अच्छा, you can't take individual triangle, only you can take. How many of you got 6 here? Hello?
Sir, I have done in short form.
Sorry? I didn't get you. Sorry?
Me too, sir. I get 3 root 3, sir.
What do you got?
Sir, I got 3 root 3, sir.
How did you get 3 root 3?
Sir, about a triangle AOP congruent to a triangle BOP. Where angle APO is equal to angle BPO is equal to 60 degree by 2, we get 30 degrees, sir. In AOP and OF perpendicular to AP, sir, and tangent to 30 degree equal OA by AP. So I get
कहाँ से मिल रहा है भाई आपको? देखो
the tan 30 degree I get. Tan 30.
हाँ, tan 30 what about tan theta का मतलब क्या होता है? Opposite by hypotenuse होता है ना? What is opposite here? से थीटा, ये opposite हो गया. Adjacent कौन सा हो गया? ये हो गया मेरा adjacent. ये hypotenuse हो
But
गया.
after that OA by AP.
This is what happens, right? This O, मैंने Q लिया, इसको P लिया, तो मेरे पास tan थीटा क्या है इधर? Opposite by hypotenuse, sorry, opposite by adjacent. Yes or no?
So, but I got 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 by AP, sir. So AP is equal to root 3, nothing.
अरे भाई, that is what, how? No, you can't write that. So
But
6
how
should
do you get 6 centimeters, sir?
6 centimeters after applying sin 30 degrees. आया समझ? sin 30 का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो 30 sin opposite by hypotenuse, ठीक है? सो मेरे पास ओ क्यू है. देखो व्हाट इज ऑपोजिट हियर? ओ क्यू डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है? क्यू पी. ओ क्यू इज व्हाट? 3 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओ क्यू पी आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट. मेरे पास साइन 30 है, 1/2 3 बाई क्यू पी. तो क्यू पी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 6 सेंटीमीटर्स. दैट इज व्हाट आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट नाउ. क्यू पी किसके साथ बराबर होगा? आरपी के साथ. आरपी के बराबर तो होगा, ठीक है?
Sir, 3 root 3 is not the answer, right?
6 is the answer.
Then, sir, 6 centimeter was ticked. Why
6 centimeter was
ticked, sir?
you ticked on 6 centimeters.
No, sir, I wrote 3 root 3 only.
Okay.
All I get 3 root 3.
Then now while you're solving, you told 6 centimeter. It's 3 root 3 is not the answer.
Your voice is breaking.
Sir, it's perpendicular.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular.
Look at this. The tangent to a circle. Tangent to a circle is dash to the radius through the point of contact. Simple question, है ना?
Perpendicular.
Look at this. हाँ, perpendicular, right. Look at here. How? मेरे पास एक ट्रायंगल है, देखो ये सर्किल. The tangent to the circle to the radius. देखो. This is the radius. Shut up. देखो. This is the radius. Is ये tangent है तो perpendicular ही है ना, सही है ना?
Sir, what would a perpendicular bisector be?
Perpendicular bisector means what? Bisector means what? Hello?
It divides in two halves.
It divides in?
In two halves.
Yes. One second. One second, guys. Let me have some water, please. It divides into two equal. Perpendicular bisector मतलब ये होता है, देखो. If I have something like this, this is my perpendicular bisector. ठीक है? This is my perpendicular. This blue color line है ना? This pink color line. This is my perpendicular bisector. This is my perpendicular bisector. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, understood.
Now why can't it be perpendicular bisector? Look at this tangent. Radius can't be treated like this, right? Yes or no? Shut up.
Yes, sir.
Radius can't go beyond circle, right? You can't, if you are drawing outside, you can't say that as radius. He's saying that from radius, the tangent to the circle to the radius. तो radius, मेरे पास ये radius है, तो ये point लेके मैंने इसको एक tangent ड्रा कर दिया. ये perpendicular ही होता है ना, perpendicular bisector. How come it is perpendicular bisector? का मतलब ऐसा होता है. अगर ये है तो this is perpendicular bisector. अगर ये लाइन कर रहा है तो horizontal कर रहा है तो ये this is my perpendicular bisector. ठीक है? Clear? Look at this here. If I have vertical line like this is my perpendicular bisector. Now this is my perpendicular bisector. Oh, sorry, no. So if I have this one, this is my perpendicular bisector.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm sorry. Next. Any doubts? Girls, boys,
No doubt, sir. No doubt from my side.
what about others? Okay, Anudeep. What about others?
No doubt, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so guys, how is your exams going on, Ahil?
Good.
Yes, have they given you the marks?
No, no.
Huh? Sorry? I'll respond, please.
Sir, are you calling me, sir?
Ahil, not Ashish. Guys, can you please post your marks from your school exam? Have they given the marks to you all?
Sir, I messaged you my marks, right?
Very good, very good. Yes. What about others?
Sir, my exams didn't start yet. It will start from
Okay.
25.
Yes. What about Akil? Akil, are you here? Akil, Amrit, Amrita, what is your mark?
Sir, our teacher said that they will give us marks after holidays.
You are in which school you are studying in? My God.
Sentia, the global school.
Huh?
Sentia, the global school
Where is it?
in Bachupalli.
Bachupalli, Saint, yeah. Okay. Okay, Yogesh, what about you? No, they did not give it to you. Texted. Okay. Ashish, what about you?
Sir, no, sir. After holidays,
Sir,
they'll
they
give.
have to give, sir, after holidays.
Okay, Tushar, you
Sir,
do
my
exams,
exams
right?
didn't
Shut
start
up.
Sir, they haven't given us the results yet.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, children, you just be ready with your doubts. Those who have done with your exams, please, I would request everyone that you buy a Arihant series. They have released Arihant series for MCQs format, and those who have bought already, if you have already any kind of MCQ format book for term 1 syllabus,
Sir, I
please
have.
yes, you have. Then post. You do one thing, Yogesh. Try solving the question every day and share that questions to your friends. Okay,
Okay, sir.
every day you have to solve the questions, so that book is more than enough. And if you guys are not willing to solve that, if you guys are not willing to buy that, it's hardly, it would be 130 rupees if you are going to buy in offline, or you can order in Amazon actually. Clear? And yes, and one more thing, guys. I forgot to say something. Yes, NCRT examples, you can just NCRT exemplar MCQ questions you can download from your NCRT website. Okay, and practice it and come to those get those doubts, and we'll solve and we'll make it happen. Clear? Is that any doubt, guys? I'm asking you, please go through NCRT exemplar. NCRT का exemplar का मतलब क्या होता है? NCRT website, official website में they have posted you multiple MCQs for class 11 and 12th. They have given, but I didn't check for class 12, 11, 10th actually. Yes, I'm sure they might have posted from class 10 as well. Please check it out. If not, please buy Aryan series. It will be cost you 130 to 140 rupees. So it will be term 1 syllabus. Please purchase it and prepare from the Aryan series. So you will get so good marks from your board exam. All right.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes. Thank you, children. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.